Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete and remove all likes on Instagram. So if you want to delete all your likes on all posts on your Instagram account, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to delete and remove all your Instagram likes, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. This could be Android and it could be on iPhone. Go to your Instagram profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, on the profile page, locate and click on the menu icon at the top right. Then, under setting and activity, locate how you use Instagram and click on your activity. Now, once you selected your activity, come down to interactions and click on likes. Here, you see all your likes on Instagram. So, these are all the posts you've liked on Instagram. Now, to unlike any of these posts, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the select button at the top right. Then select the post. Then click on unlike. Then choose what that says unlike this post. Then go ahead and click on unlike. Now, to unlike all posts on Instagram, all you need to do is click on select at the top right. And then go ahead and check all of the posts you have on your Instagram page. So just keep checking all of them. And then you should see the number of posts you've selected here. To unlike them, just go ahead and click on unlike. Then you see what that says, are you sure you want to unlike this post? Then go ahead and click on unlike to unlike the post, and then you're good to go. So that's exactly how to unlike or remove likes from Instagram posts. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.